Right now, as you watch this, there's a secret recycling plant working inside your body that processes over 2 million blood cells every single second, and you probably never even think about it. I want you to imagine something incredible happening inside your body right this second. Deep in your upper left abdomen, behind your stomach, there's a small, fist-sized organ that's working overtime, your spleen. And what it's doing is nothing short of miraculous. Every day, this unsung hero processes and recycles approximately 200 billion red blood cells. That's right, billion with a B. But why does your body need to recycle blood cells in the first place? Well, red blood cells have a limited lifespan of about 120 days. They're like tiny delivery trucks racing through your bloodstream, carrying oxygen to every single cell in your body. But after about 4 months of constant work, these cellular workhorses start to wear out. Their membranes become less flexible, they can't carry oxygen as efficiently, and they become potential hazards in your bloodstream. This is where your spleen becomes the ultimate quality control center. Think of your spleen as having microscopic security checkpoints throughout its unique structure. As blood flows through specialized areas called red pulp, which makes up about 75% of the spleen, the blood cells have to squeeze through tiny passages that are narrower than the cells themselves. Young, healthy red blood cells are flexible enough to bend and twist through these tight spaces. But older cells, they're stiff and rigid, much like how a new rubber band is flexible but an old one cracks and breaks. When an aging red blood cell tries to pass through these narrow splenic filters, it gets stuck. Immediately, special immune cells called macrophages, which essentially means big eaters, swarm the trapped cell and engulf it. This process is called phagocytosis, and it's how your body safely disposes of these cellular retirees. But here's where the real magic happens. Your body doesn't just throw away these old cells. Oh no, that would be wasteful. Instead, it meticulously breaks them down and salvages every valuable component. The hemoglobin inside each red blood cell gets separated into heme and globin proteins. The globin gets broken down into amino acids that your body can reuse to build new proteins. The iron from the heme component is carefully extracted and stored or sent back to your bone marrow to help create brand new red blood cells. Even the remaining heme gets converted into bilirubin, which your liver processes and eventually becomes part of bile that helps digest fats. This entire recycling operation is so efficient that nearly 95% of each red blood cell gets reused. Your spleen isn't just a blood cell graveyard, it's the ultimate green recycling facility. But wait, there's more. Your spleen also serves as a blood reservoir, storing extra blood that can be released during emergencies like significant blood loss. It's also a crucial part of your immune system, producing white blood cells and antibodies while filtering out bacteria and other foreign invaders. Ever wonder why people can live without a spleen? It's because other organs like the liver can partially take over these functions, but they're never quite as efficient. People without spleens are more susceptible to certain infections, proving just how vital this organ really is. The sheer scale of this operation is mind-blowing. Consider this. Your body produces about 2 million new red blood cells every second in your bone marrow, and your spleen removes and recycles roughly the same number. This means your entire blood supply gets completely refreshed every 4 months. Your spleen works silently, efficiently, and constantly, never taking a break, never complaining. It's the ultimate multitasker. Part quality control inspector, part recycling plant, part blood bank, and part immune defense center. Next time you take a deep breath or feel your heartbeat, remember that there's an entire microscopic universe of cellular recycling happening inside you, managed by an organ most people never think about. Your spleen might be one of your body's most underappreciated organs, but it's working tirelessly to keep your bloodstream clean, efficient, and healthy. Had any idea your spleen was this incredible? Share one body fact that blows your mind in the comments below.